Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Beretta 1301 tactical shotgun cruiser ready. Now this applies not just to the tactical model, I believe the competition model are basically the same design as well. So what I mean by cruiser ready is you have a magazine tube full of shells, you got nothing in the chamber, so it's safe to carry this way. The reason for that is shotgun, generally speaking, all of the shotguns, none of them are actually drop safe. So if you have it running in the chamber, if you hit the bus stock, if you do happen to drop the shotgun, there's a possibility that the round in the chamber could go off without you actually pulling the trigger. So right now as is, hammer is completely down. With the Beretta and Benelli shotguns, if the hammer is down, you cannot move the carrier latch. The reason for that I will explain later. It's got a free carrier system. So first you gotta do is basically pull the charging handle back. It will lock back. While you're doing that, the hammer is also being cocked. So drop the bolt. Okay, drop the bolt. Hammer is down. Leave the safety on or off. If you wanna engage it, that's fine, but really doesn't make a difference because it's got a free carrier system. So all you gotta do right now is, sorry, pardon me, I'm trying to stabilize it. So just load it as you normally would. Just make sure when you're loading it, you're pressing the shell hard enough, because there's a little catch right here. If you don't press it hard enough, the shell could pop back onto the carrier. And if it does pop back, it's not the end of the world. You just gotta rack the charging handle, chamber the round, and then rack it again to eject that round. But just for the sake of safety, just make sure you press it hard enough. So right now, it's got a free carrier system, so magazine is fully loaded. If I pull the charging handle, you can pull it as many times as you want. Nothing's ever gonna happen. So it is quite sure it's a safety feature. So Beretta, Benelli's also use the same system. So to get around onto the carrier, there's a little button here you gotta press. There we go. Now, if you wanna fire the shotgun, you just rack it around. Okay, then you have it running the chamber. So now with the Beretta 1301, you have it running the chamber. So, but nothing is on the carrier. So unless I actually pull the trigger, fire the round in the chamber, the next round won't come back in onto the carrier. So if you, let's say something you have to chamber around for defensive purpose, then the danger does disappear. All you gotta do, pardon me, rack the charging handle, let the round come out, then you can reinsert that round onto it. There you go, shotgun safe. If, let's say, the bad guy or the dangerous animal doesn't comply with you, all you gotta do is, safety's off, pull the trigger, this round will eject, next round with chamber, pull it again, it will eject. These are just dummy rounds, so it does have a little bit of extraction problems. All right, thank you guys. Till next time, happy shooting.